Good morning, we are team number 3, and today we present our efficient and sustainable logistic route design and costing. The objective of this project is to determine and design an efficient logistic route for importing paddle rackets from China to Mexico. This involves selecting the most cost-effective and reliable transportation methods, ensuring compliance with the international trade regulations, and calculating both the total logistic cost and the unit logistic cost. By optimizing the importation process, we aim to enhance Arcade Sports' competitiveness in the Mexican market and ensure timely delivery of high-quality paddle rackets to meet growing demand.
The criteria used for the selection of the providers first was the cost efficiency for minimized transportation costs, insurance, and handling costs. Second, timeline, ensure timely delivery to meet market demands. Afterwards, reliability. We needed to choose reputable service providers with a track record of reliability, and infrastructure and connectivity. This means select ports with the best facilities and connectivity.
For this project, we had to determine a route, and because of supplier is at China, we plan to move the products from Taijin, China by a sea transport with the MSC company to Lázaro Cárdenas in Mexico, and then move it by truck to their final destination at Pachuca, Hidalgo.
Now, the characteristics of this route is that the location is 15,000 kilometers by sea and 400 kilometers by land. And well, the facilities we have are ports with advanced handling and storage, and the participating actors in this route are Arcade Sports, suppliers, MSC, custom brokers, and trucking companies.
So the Incoterm agreed with the seller is the Incoterm free on board. Considering the FOB, we have the advantage of a lower price and the greater control over the selection of the carrier and the shipping route. But the disadvantage is that we will have to purchase insurance for the merchandise, contract the transportation, and in addition, he must carry out the procedures corresponding to the transportation and insurance, which can be complex and time-consuming, but not failing to consider the value of the merchandise and the experience of the Arcade Sports and the relationship that can be generated with the seller. And it's important that we clearly agree the terms of the sale, including the Incoterm used and the responsibilities of each party and the associated costs.
Afterwards, we have the cost analysis. We analyzed several companies, and the one that aligned with our values and what we wanted was Mediterranean Shipping Company. As you can see, the timeline is very considerable, and also the cost is a total of 5,007. In the lower part of the slide, you can see the split costs. The maritime cargo has a total cost of 3,300. The discharge port has a total amount of $600. And finally, the shipping by truck has a total amount of 1,107.
That's all. Thank you.